How to fix Instagram profile add music option not showing. This is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, make sure you have the latest version of Instagram. Go to your Play Store and then search for Instagram. If there is an update button instead of this open button, tap on it and get the latest version of Instagram. Next, locate your Instagram app, tap and hold the Instagram app and then go to app info. Now go to its storage section and then tap on clear cache. After that, go to your Instagram app. Tap on your profile icon and see if the button is available. If not, make sure your profile is public and not private. Go to account privacy and then toggle this private account button off if it is enabled. So that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any question, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.